Hi guys, what's up? This is me, Anushka, live on Instagram. I think probably you guys didn't hear that, so here I go again. Hey guys, this is me, Anushka, live from Instagram with Sindra, who just ignored me, but it's okay. Okay. Hi guys. Oh shit, what was with that laugh? Oh my god. Okay. Hey love, hi, how are you? So इससे पहले कि I start the live, I was going to live the start. It's wrong. इससे पहले कि I start my live, I really clearly want to tell you guys that there are so many accounts that I can't see when I'm live. मेरे को कितने लोगों का messages बाद में आता है कि in DMs that why couldn't you reply to our messages and everything, but I actually can't see half of your messages, so you can try. If I can see your comment, I will definitely reply, because that's what I'm here for. I'm here to talk to you guys, of course. So yeah. Hi, woohoo, 20k people with me live. Woohoo, that's nice. What's with the woohoo? But okay. Hi, Munaz, hello. Hi, Angel, like Anushka. I really like calling you this way. It's like this feels like it's your name. Pretty, thank you. So I was cycling and then I came upstairs. Then I got a little, I freshened up, and then I thought ki what? Amay? Senu, Seema, Komant, what are you writing? Amay nahi samajh mein aa raha mujhe. Say next treasure. Hi, your hair. Oh my god, thank you. You guys are writing Noah sent in you to join this live. That's cute. Yoo-hoo. 1 second. Where is that? Yoo-hoo, big bad vampire out here. Hey, how are you? I have been good. Goa trip was excellent, and that's when I was live, I think, the last time. The trip was great. बहुत मजा आया. Me, mom, dad, we had the time of our life, and it was, to be very honest with you guys, it was a family trip after a long time. It was like बहुत दिनों बाद हमने कोई trip plan किया. It was like a no work trip, so that was like after a long time. And there's no case of corona there, so it was quite nice to to look at people without masks and everything. Everybody was enjoying there. The place I was staying was beautiful, view was great, sunset I could see, बहुत मजा आया. And then I came back, and then I've been working on some things. I've been working, and then I've been having a good time at home, spending time at home with my parents, my friends, Sindra, of course. And I'm really liking all the edits, guys. Jo bhi edits aap bana rahe ho, and all the comments that I see on my posts, and I try to be as much as possible active on DMs. It is kind of impossible because there are so many people who are messaging me on DM, but it's just really great to see that there's so much love from so many people. Yeah, we were talking the night before. Next thing I know, you're in Goa. It was a surprise trip for me, to be very honest. So my mom and dad planned this, and then one night back, एक रात पहले मेरे को बोले, that we are going to Goa. So then I had to set all things up, what I'm gonna wear and everything. So it was a surprise for me as well. Hi Zoha. Hi, Naitik Chauhan. So today I went to my college for the first time, and now from tomorrow I have to start attending online classes, which I'm looking forward to. Like I'm really excited देखने के लिए, मतलब कि क्या होने वाला है and how it's gonna be, because it's a very different experience because it's college. But yeah, really excited. Much needed time off with the family. Definitely, really, actually, guys, I really needed that time with my family that time. and now I'm, that's why I always tell you guys that it's so important to be happy, and it's so important to, have that peace of mind, because after all, if you ask me what's like my number one priority in life, it's always to be happy and, be at peace, because without that you can't work, without that you can't live, you can't do anything. So, that was a trip for me to relax and chill, and then, be back the way I used to be. So yeah, I'm back and everything's good. And before going to Goa, I was spending time with my friends. Like Amay was there, I met Amay, I met so many of my friends, Nidhi, Keisha, I met Simdim. So I had a really good time. That week was great, and even after that. And then I've been seeing so many edits. मतलब पहले भी before going to Goa भी जो भी edits मैंने देखे, when I was sick also, so many edits, और इतना सारा प्यार आप लोगों ने दिया. It just helped me recover faster in fact. So yeah, I'm just very happy to be back, and very thankful to have you guys, of course, because you guys have, मतलब आप लोगों को credit देना चाहिए मुझे कि आप it was really big of you guys to support me that time. I'm a great fan of you. Thank you so much. Yeah guys, college, I'm actually studying filmography, so I'm very excited. It's called first year FYBA FT NMP. This is the course that I'm doing. It's filmography basically, in short. So I'm very excited. Tomorrow I'm gonna start, so I'm gonna let you guys know about that. Hi Zainab, what's up? Hi Anushka Scene Big fans, hello, hi. Oh, that's a new page that I'm seeing. Senushkians, that's kind of creative. Hi Senushkians, what is your name, Senushkians? Then only I can take your name. Unique AF course she has picked. I didn't even know ऐसा कोई course है. Fire selection. Thanks Pandya. I know, right? I mean, always fire selection and everything. So I love how I kept the peace sign for about 2 minutes. What's wrong? Oh my god. Hi ma'am. Hello. So what's up? You came to Goa. I saw you. I met so many. I did meet quite a few people there in Goa. कितने लोग आए मुझे वहाँ पे बीच पे. They said कि मैम हमने आपको देखा स्टोरी पे, and they came from I think for what 40 kilometers. No 80 kilometers I think. है ना? 80 kilometers दूर से they came to just meet me, and it's so sweet. मेरे को इतना अच्छा लगा ना, मतलब it's just very sweet. Thank you. And it's okay guys, take your time. I know the story behind the course selection, so not your selection, it is my selection. So yeah, there's so many people Goa में I could meet. मजा आया मुझे, and I'm so happy कि it's a big deal for me, because I was in South Goa, so people were coming from North Goa, they were coming from far, and they were telling me they just came to say hi to me. Just so sweet. Thank you. So if anybody who's watching, like anybody who met me is watching, thank you so much. Come to Patna. See, I am telling you, I'm so excited to travel, but there's still some places that I can't travel. But I will travel. When everything is normal, I will travel to some more places. See, right now I'm not traveling anywhere. Right now. But if I'm traveling anywhere, I'll, let you guys know. I almost took a flight to Goa to meet you. But then एक और surprise मिला, you only came back. Huh? समझा नहीं मुझे. I didn't get you. I wish I could meet you one day. अरे of course, क्यों नहीं? She doesn't come to Thakur village. What? She'll come to Patna. Why will I not go to Patna? I will go to Patna. I can go to anywhere. I will, guys. Now there are location requests. So all the location requests like Kerala, Patna. Hi to you all from Mumbai, and I'll meet you guys soon. I'm so looking forward for all the events to start again. When events will start, I'll meet you guys. Hi Abhishek. Sinra. Where is Sinra? Sinra, people asking. Oh, she's sleeping. Shit, I woke her up. You can sleep. You can see she's sleeping. Now I'm gonna have some fruits if you guys don't mind. My mom says hi. Oh. Oh God. Hello Anu. Hi. Anushka, if you ever come to Dubai, I'm still holding on to meeting you. Definitely. Oh yeah, I can see your comments, seeing the edits. How's uncle auntie? They're good. They're doing great. They're happy. Okay, I'll convey everybody's regards to my mom and dad. For sure. My hair ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है सोफा में? Okay. Anusha, can you say hi to Busangana? Hi Busangana, what's up? I love how people are giving me location requests. Thank you guys. Yeah, you shall remember Purvi. Can you show your whole outfit? How will I show? I'm just figuring that out. Wait. I'm actually wearing like basic, but I'll still show you. Let me stand up. Ow. Okay. Wait. I think if I keep it here, you can see. Just don't fall. If my phone falls, I'm gonna feel very bad. पूरा नहीं आ रहा है. Think from here. How am I supposed to? Where am I supposed? Can you hold this, Mama? They want to see the whole outfit. Can you just hold it like this? Thanks. That's all. Okay. Light nahi aa raha hai chehre mein. So this is my whole outfit, guys. Sick. Thanks, Mom, for the contribution in my life. Did you guys see the whole outfit? Yeah, I got to know. अभी मेरे को मालूम है. Now you are saying कि now अभी बोलो आंटी को पकड़ने के लिए. See now everybody has seen the entire outfit. You guys happy? This is my favorite type of outfit. Honestly. Oh my God. I made same outfit thumbnail for my edit. Is it? Oh wow, that's cool. Anushka Sen is a mood. Always. 100%. 100%. Thanks for fulfilling my wish. You're welcome. Well, it's so comfy. Of course, comfy first. And comfy plus style is the perfect outfit. है ना? हमेशा. Why am I saying इतना मतलब I don't know. See, and all the people, if you're thinking that I was wearing shoes or chappal, I was wearing nothing. I was barefoot. That's why I climbed the sofa. And also Goa pics. ये नहीं हो रहा है. 1 second. हाँ. Also Goa pics. There are so many. All the like responses that I got. You guys liked those pictures so much. I was so happy. I was sharing posts because I was enjoying so much in Goa, and all the pictures I was liking, and I was enjoying to click pictures there. It was so clear, the sky, the weather was so clear. तो इतना मजा आ रहा था फोटो खींच के. I really wanted you guys to see, like, guys, dekho, and you guys also really liked it, so yeah. Yeah, we miss Goa. Me too. Ma'am, কেমন আছো? আমি ভালো আছি. Your photography. Why did I say it so angrily? আমি ভালো আছি. Your photography in Goa. Thank you so much. It was so pretty, Goa. मन कर रहा था कि just click pictures of the sky. It's so pretty. By God, guys, if you are going somewhere, please go to Goa. अनुष्का मेरे comments दिख रहे हैं. हाँ, I can see your comments. Your current favorite color? Ooh, lavender. I recently discovered that it's one of my favorite colors. See, my favorite color is grey, but one of my favorite colors would be lavender because I really like the way that outfit turned out. So yeah, I'm just gonna say lavender right now. When is your Goa vlog coming? Pretty soon. I'm editing it, so we're gonna see it very soon. You're gonna see the Goa vlog soon. So guys, if you don't know, I have a YouTube channel. You can go subscribe to it. It's called Anushka Singh Official, and do subscribe because I'm gonna put my Goa vlog and something more interesting. So stay tuned. Can't wait. Yeah, just I think this week or next week mostly. I'll let you know, but it's like on the way. Yeah, I can see your comment, Sharanya. What's your favorite Bollywood movie? See, I don't know. Ooh, I was watching Devdas. I'm not saying it's my favorite Bollywood movie, so, but I'm just saying. Okay, I was watching Devdas and I really had fun because somebody suggested me. I don't remember who, but somebody suggested, and also a lot of people like told me कि अरे Devdas कैसे नहीं देखा? It's one of the most iconic films, I think. So that's why I was watching and I had fun. It was good, I mean. But my favorite Bollywood movie is, I don't know, there's so many of them. There's Om Shanti Om, there's Queen, there's Tanu Has Manu Returns. There's so many movies that I really like. I mean, so Chennai Express and so many movies. I mean, all the movies. All Bollywood movies are something that you just sit and enjoy. So what are you watching right now on Netflix? I was watching Mismatched, which I really enjoyed. Then what did I watch? I watched Christmas. Princess Switch again, which was interesting again. And I also watched Christmas Chronicles. So I've been watching Christmas movies. So don't come at me. I mean, Christmas is near. So Christmas Chronicles was so cute. मेरे को मजा आया. बहुत मजा आया मुझे देख के. And I was watching it with mom also, so it was fun. My mom is laughing. Did you hear that? I made her watch Zabardasti. I was like, come watch. I'm watching alone. So she's like, chalo, theek hai. Do watch Prison Break. Oh, suggest me some new songs, no? I've been listening to a few songs, but I think I really need some new songs. Hi Ekta, I told you ना some comments are ऐसे गायब हो रहा है. Hi Ayan, what's up? कैसे हो?